What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, March 2nd, 2025, 7:25 here in the morning. I'm heading on an emergency, well, let me keep it real. I'm heading back to my office to pick up my truck, heading on an emergency service call. We have a Weil McLain EcoTec 151 wall hung combi that we installed about 2 years ago. Customer woke up this morning, it's 55 degrees in the house. She's got no heat or domestic hot water. Let's go! So, back by popular demand, we're doing reprints of the limited edition Mikey Pipes Make the Trades Great Again posters. So many people emailed me. I have probably about 60 emails in total over the last 2 weeks. Mikey Pipes, please, can you have any extras? No, I don't have any extras. But what I did arrange is that we're going to have some reprints. Same price, $35. They are going to be autographed and numbered, but not like 1 of 100 or 2 of 100 and so on and so forth. F as in fake. F1, F2, F3, F4. So if you want any fake Mikey Pipe posters like these and one up there, you're going to email me, mike@mikeypipes.com, and there's payment methods in the description box down below. You go and get directly from me. Nowhere else. Only directly from moi, Mikey fucking Pipes. Now let me grab an EcoTec. Oh shit, do we have? Oh yeah. Let me grab an EcoTec box. Let's go get her up and running, because I like taking care of our clients. Good morning.
Good morning, Mike.
Thank you. Thank you, Ogie. You're staying warm by running around. Ooh. I got your toy. All right, so you got a red screen.
So there's a hole underneath that plate that you're...
60 degree. Target's 130. Target is not 130. All right, still getting that same supply, 60 degree Fahrenheit return error. Domestic hot water call, no circulator. 3-way valve, illuminated. I got money on this control. Saying my target is 130, but that is not my target. There we go. Okay. There's no outdoor sensor. Okay. Bad board. Today is March 2nd, yes. Do you have any power issues overnight or recently? No? Tell me.
I noticed that after the service, it just didn't seem the same.
Okay, because it...
I don't, and I, you know, it's coincidental perhaps.
Because it seems like you had an electrical surge that took out 2 parts on this boiler. That's the only, electrically, it was...
I didn't have to reset my clocks. That would have been electrical service.
When did you have to reset your clocks?
I didn't. I haven't had to, I'm saying.
Okay.
I haven't had to. So as far as I know, there has not been.
Okay. You may want to consider maybe like a surge protector on, call an electrician and get like a surge protector in the house, because for 2 components to have failed that are electric is a surge protector. Yes. It's best that you install one on the whole house. Now, we could install one just for the boiler, but for the price you're going to pay for that, you may want to consider having an electrician wire one on the main circuit breaker panel in the house.
So a surge protector, electrician, but you said you could do
We can install one just for the boiler.
And how much is that?
I would have to look it up. Yep. Another Weil McLain EcoTec. Interesting. A little bit of a background with this EcoTec is that 24 hours after we installed it in 2022, we had to replace the internal circulator. It was getting power, but it wasn't illuminated, it wasn't moving the water. I don't know if I showed it on camera or not, but with my non-contact tester, before I replaced that control board, no voltage was going to the circulator. That prompted the replacement of the control board, especially with a target temperature of 130 when it's not even the right target temperature. Replaced the control board, then we had power going to the circulator. Circulator wasn't moving the water, no LED light on that control circulator. Replaced the circulator by removing the 4 screws from separating the motor from the body. Purged some air out of the system. She's up and running. I'm starting to see a pattern with the EcoTecs. Covered all my bases, did my due diligence. Lady didn't have to reset the clocks as she claimed. But nonetheless, you know what? The Burnham Alta is looking better and better each and every single day. Especially as a service and repair technician. Running service calls on a Sunday morning at 7:30. You know what I mean? An hour and 5 minutes on site. All good. Parts are on the truck. This is what I've made. See this, guys? And I'm trying to do something like this. And it's just not working. It's just not working out. And I'm losing my patience. The threaded rod was too long, so I cut it back. And of course, measure once, cut twice, right? So now I'm too short. And I'm not too happy. I'm not a happy camper. So I spent about 45 minutes literally jerking myself off, and I've accomplished nothing other than taking out the nipple, the reducing bushing, and the orifice that was here, and it worked with one burner. And now I'm like back where I started from, and I'm stressed. I'm frustrated, and I just want to go home. And I think I'm going to go home. So if you guys have any insight, if you guys are in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you want to just do this for me, it'd be greatly appreciated. I don't know. I need to connect 3 burners here that extend out to here. See? And that they'll just rest there. Right? But there need to be some kind of support here holding that up. I tried to use a cross T there with some elbows. I know the threads are not right, but whatever. I give up. I just give up. Sayonara.